In this video, we will look at the basics of shipping rates in ShipMagic App. The first step you need to do is to sync shipping zones and products in your store with the app. In order to do this, head over to the settings page of the app and click on Sync Now. Refresh the page after a couple of minutes to check the status of syncing. You should see a last synced time below the Sync Now buttons once the syncing is complete. Now let's head over to the shipping rates page of the app to set up some shipping rates for our store. Before continuing, please be informed that you need to have CCS enabled on your store in order to show shipping rates from the app on your checkout page. You can learn more about CCS by clicking on Learn More. Alright then, click on the Add Rule button to create a new rule. For this video, we will set up a shipping rate which charges $5 for every item in cart. So for one product, the price is $5, for two, it is $10, and so on. Give any name to your rule. Names are only for your reference and are not shown to customers. Next, give a priority to your rules and keep the status of the rule as active. Next, we have exclusivity. Exclusivity, along with priority, can be used to create pretty advanced shipping rates. If an exclusive rule is satisfied, then all the other rules lower in priority are ignored. For most of the cases, like for this example, you would need to keep your rules in exclusive. Now let's add the conditions which must be met in order for this rule to be satisfied. You can create conditions based on numerous cart, product, and customer attributes. For our example, we will create a condition that the rule is satisfied when the cart quantity is greater than 0. Click on the Add Rate button next to a zone to add rates for that particular zone. Enter the name of the rate that you would like to show to your customers at checkout. There is also an optional field to write some description about the shipping rate, like for example the approximate days to fulfill the order. Next, choose number of items as the calculation parameter and incremental as the rate type. Feel free to pause the video and explore other calculation parameters, as well as rate types. Fill in the base price as 5 and incremental price also as 5. Set the per each as 1. This means that for every product, the base price will increment by 5. Click on Save to save the rule. And now let's head over to our checkout page to test our rule. Now, I have 3 products in my cart, which means that I should see $15 as the shipping price. And indeed I do. Now please be mindful that in order to test the rates, you need to use the first name as ShipMagic, as the app is in test mode. Once you are satisfied with the testing, you can click on the pencil icon to change the mode of the app to Live mode. You would need to upgrade to our Pro plan in order to be able to switch the app from test mode to Live mode. We offer a 14-day free trial of our paid plans so that you can also test the Live mode for free. You can also reach out to our customer support for any help or questions that you may have by clicking on the Get Set Up Assistance button. Finally, feel free to explore our full documentation to understand the full capability of the app. It also contains many examples of different types of shipping rates that can be set up using the app.